Changing the email link to your Gmail account can help you manage your communications more effectively. Follow these steps to update your email address. Step 1. Sign into your Google account. Go to the Google account sign-in page and enter your current email address and password. Make sure to use the account you want to change. Step 2. Access personal information. Once signed in, navigate to the personal info section in the left sidebar. This is where you can manage your personal details, including your email address. Step 3. Edit your email address. In the contact info section, find the email address field and click on it. You may see an option to change your email. Click on edit or the pencil icon next to your email address. Step 4. Verify your identity. Google may require you to verify your identity for security purposes. Follow the prompts, which may include entering a verification code sent to your current email or phone number. Step 5. Enter your new email address. After verification, enter the new email address you want to link to your account. Follow any additional prompts to confirm the change and make sure to save your changes. Once you have completed these steps, your email address will be updated. Remember to check your new email for any confirmation messages from Google.